y'all, this is how you use the Electrify America charger. So first you want to plug in the charger. So plug that in. And then this is important. You want to download the Electrify America app. You really don't want to pay, use your card to pay here, because it's going to charge you, I think, like a $50 authorization hold. Well, temporary. It's temporary, but you still don't want to be charged, $50 for that. So the best thing to do is to download the app. And after you download the app, you want to see which charge you at. Right here it says charger 4. So you go to the app. You want to scroll down to charger 4. It says available, so you press that. So you want to make sure you pick your you put your payment method on here, whichever card you want to use, and then you just swipe the charge, and you gotta wait for that to load up. And now it says it's charging now. So another important thing that you want to do is, if you about to leave your car, take your key fob and lock your doors. And then when you come back and you're done charging, you want to unlock your doors now. And you can press stop to stop the charge. Yep. And then that will make sure your charger doesn't lock up on you, because it will lock up on you if you don't, unlock your doors. So that's a real important thing. So thanks for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.